Hello everyone, it's Amanda from Crystal Coast Originals. Thank you so much for checking out my video. So the video you guys are going to see today, it's of a 3-bloom painting. I love doing these, you guys. I have done these for so long. I think if you go back and look at my YouTube, you'll see ones from like 5 years ago. But they always turn out so pretty. So I really like doing these paintings. The colors I used are from some leftover colors that I had from the last wipe and spin that I used. And yeah, really loving how this turned out, you guys. I love these paintings. When you see it in the video, you'll see that the blooms that I did were kind of close together all on the canvas. But when you spin the canvas, it pulls all that paint off the edges, which I really like because it kind of focuses your attention on this one center bloom. And then you have like the remnants kind of down here of the other blooms and up here at the top as well. So yeah, I love how these turned out. I think they turn out so pretty. So I have the formula as well as the colors listed for you guys in the description box if you want to check that out. I also have some online courses on my website, crystalcoastoriginals.com. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.